If you're running a business juggling payroll, HR, IT, and compliance, Rippling promises to handle it all in one place. But does it actually deliver? Let's take a look. Rippling is an all-in-one workforce management platform. It combines HR, payroll, benefits, and even IT tools like device management and app provisioning all under one roof. The real magic is automation. You can onboard the new employee, ship them a laptop, set them up with all their apps, and enroll them in payroll in just a few clicks. It's also great for managing contractors, remote teams, and international employees. Plus, the UI is modern and surprisingly clean for how much is packed into it. Pricing is not transparent. You have to request a quote, and it can get expensive depending on which modules you need. Smaller teams might not use enough of the platform to justify the cost. So Rippling is powerful, especially for fast scaling teams that want to streamline everything. Do you want a head-to-head comparison with Gusto or perhaps Deal? Let me know, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way.